In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open a Revolut account in USA. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly download the latest version of the Revolut mobile app and set up an account in the USA. So all that you have to do is open the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device and look for the Revolut app, or do this process through the Revolut app available on the App Store if you are using an iOS device instead. So open the respective app store and then open the application. Once you open Revolut, you will see this little introduction. So Revolut, ready to change the way that you money, easy to pay at home and away, and so on. You can browse through all of these stories if you would like to see the features included in Revolut, or alternatively, just go ahead and tap sign up at the bottom. The first thing that you will be asked to input is a phone number. As you can see, by entering your number, you agree to receive text or SMS messages, message and data rates might apply, and if you confirm, you will be able to start the process of signing up to use Revolut. After you are done inputting a valid phone number, you will be able to proceed, verify your email, and include all of the necessary details. Now, because of the nature of this video, and because of how much information will be requested of you, I won't be able to show you this process in full on screen. You will be asked to input a country of residence after you confirm your phone number by inputting a text code, your full name, a Revel tag, date of birth, home address, email address, a social security number if you are in the USA. You will have to take a selfie and continue. After all of this is done, you can create a PIN and choose from any of the available plans. Like I said previously, all of this is very sensitive information and they do not allow sharing this on YouTube. But regardless, by following the on-screen instructions, you will be able to get this process done on your own time, verify all of your credentials, and use Revolut to make transfers and payments either on your own home country or to other currencies. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a Revolut account in USA. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.